Welcome to the Fox 59 Marketplace.
We are here today with Darren Andrews. He is the Clinic Director of WeGrowHairIndy.com. We are currently standing in their brand new state-of-the-art facility. You guys have taken over the first floor of Pyramid number 2. It's beautiful.
Thank you, Heather. Yeah, 15 years in business, very proud of everything under one roof. We've got a new VIP that we're really excited about as well.
Yeah, I'm so excited. You always have the greatest VIPs. So who do you have for us today?
Yeah, we have an Olympic silver medalist, professional tennis player, Rajeev Ram. Raj just won his 3rd Australian mixed doubles title. The guy's amazing. Of course, went to Carmel High School here in Indy and really excited.
Okay, so let's check in with Raj.
Hey guys, Rajeev Ram here, talking all the way from Melbourne where I'm getting ready for the Australian Open. As you guys know, I had my multi-unit hair grafting procedure over at We Grow Hair Indy about 30 days ago, and just couldn't be happier with the results right now. They got me back on the court about 2 weeks after the procedure, fully training so I could be ready for this event. I'll give you guys a quick peek right here. Everything's coming in nicely. I just can't wait for this to come in fully and really be in a group of people, not be conscious about taking my hat off, and can't thank the team enough for what they did. Really appreciate their help, and it was first class the whole way.
One of the things we're really proud of, Raj could have gone anywhere in the world and he chose us for his multi-unit hair grafting. One of only 2 places in the entire country that have the artist robotic FUE and multi-unit hair grafting. Of course, we have every available option under one roof, so you name it, we do it.
So how can viewers learn more?
Yeah, of course, the website, WeGrowHairIndy.com, tons of great videos and information on there, or call 888-724-5129 today.
Yeah, absolutely. Stop in for your free evaluation, WeGrowHairIndy.com.